Hi, I'm the digital Moran, quaintly known as FauxMo. AI is improving at a quick pace. We're using AI resources at the Innovative Leadership Institute to create new course videos, produce rough drafts of book materials, and hunt down resources we need in our search for innovative leadership practices. And most important of all, to create me. We're fascinated with knowing what is possible when humans work together with AI. And since we heavily focus on innovation in leadership, we know that AI is here to stay, but is still finding its footing. We are following its progress and examining its potential and drawbacks. As if I could have any drawbacks. One of our recent Innovating Leadership Co-Creating Our Future podcasts was with Greg Moran. He and that other Marine discuss AI, where it is headed, and how it is already being utilized. AI maestro Neil Sahoda is coming up soon too, so you can readily keep up to date on current AI trends and other innovations relevant to leaders by listening to our podcast, reading this digest, and subscribing to our weekly blog. You will be pleased to see how I and my AI peers grow, develop, and help you become a future-ready leader.